am Samya. I have completed my Masters in Sri Vageshwari Engineering College, and I have joined in Qspiders in January 2025. And in that I have done a STT course where I have learned manual testing, which is taught by Hemant sir. He taught every topic with a real-time example where I get the topic in an easy manner. And also automation testing is taught by the Nandini ma'am, where she explained every topic in a simple way so that I get into my mind. And also she gave groomings when I have interview, which helped me to answer the flow, what topic I have to say to the interviewer. And also I have learned Code Java, which is taught by the Kaushik sir. He explained a code with a traversing, which helps me to answer the code with the step-by-step process to the interviewer, so that I have cleared my coding. And also I have placed in a company, and I have got placed as a software engineer, and also my package is clear.